Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Oppo Eno Air 2 Pro with Android smartphone. And to do this we can either use Hey Melody app, which you can download from Epic Game Store or basically any other store, or just go through our Bluetooth. I'm gonna show you two ways to do it. So first let's try normal Bluetooth. So we need to open a case. In this case it should already enter pairing mode. If not, you might need to take out both of the earbuds. Look on the back right here and you can find two sensors. Hold them for 4 seconds. Then let go, place your earbuds somewhere and enter Bluetooth on your smartphone. Here at the bottom you should be able to find Oppo Eno Air 2 Pro. Click on it and select pair. Now your devices should be paired to your smartphone. But now let's forget them and try to connect them using the app. So here we have this Hey Melody. You can open it, click on add. Now it will scan for the earbuds, and also you need to enable Bluetooth for that. So wait a few seconds. We can also try to place them back inside the case. Close the case, open it again and scan again. So it's found, and make sure that the case is opened. Click on connect. So we need to remove it anyway and hold the same button and enter the pairing mode. Select pair. And now we can check out the tutorial for them right here, and also they should be connected to your app and you can customize them further. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.